Good morning, guys. Hello baby here. Welcome on today's videos are very special. And guys, it's early morning over here. We thank God for the gift of life. Anyway guys, thank you so much for clicking my video. So on today's videos, my intro starts from here at Hotel Vanna. So I normally come here for the several time, and then it's because the food tastes so nice, so delicious, so yummy, and then also even the environment, I love it, man. Look, even there's a parking point here, right there, and also room are very nice. There's a day I bring here one of my visitors from South Africa, man. I can't complain. Inside there, it's another palace. Anyway guys, on these videos I'm going to host Felistas. For those asking me where is Felistas, so anyway, since we came from Mombasa, guys, I think it's close to one month and some few weeks, you know. I came back home and then I found the board collapsed. I need to fix that here and there, so I was waiting to finish my issues and then to host him because I didn't have enough time, you know. So right now I just came with her at this place here, and in case you meet my videos, guys, please subscribe, comment, share, like. That's the best way we can support Hello Baby Official. And also guys, check her out. So guys, in case you came in Africa, especially in Migori County, please book. You can go online, you can search Hotel Vanna, and then there is some contacts there. You can call them, and then you know, you just also, I think the airport is just within here in Migori number, and then from the airport to here it's around 30 minutes by bike. And then I have a room here with accommodation, you know, nice security. I can't complain, guys. So if you're ready for these videos, I'm gonna take you there to see. But sometime, man, you know, we have louder music here. I need to talk with them. Maybe they can reduce the volume, and then we continue from there. Man, the way you see this hotel or restaurant in videos is the same you see live, you know. In Migori County, I recommend Vanna Hotel. You know, imagine all the way from my village, I just come here to enjoy myself, and then you know, it's good to take you out, guys, you know, with you, and then you're the one who's supporting us, you know, every day, watching our videos, advising us, you know. And I'm praying, guys, one day one of my subscribers just landed in Africa. I'll take you here, guys, and then maybe you have accommodation here. Not maybe, accommodation will be here. So my work is to come from my home, come and pick you guys. So let's go, guys. Yeah, look, guys, clean environment. That's how I love to come in Vanna, to enjoy myself, man, you know. Also, it's written there, Hotel Vanna, you know, right there, guys. I think you see them. So I'm heading this way. It's very in the morning. You can see even the flower garden here. Hey, man, this is another palace. Maybe other people think, oh, hello baby, you are in Europe. No, I'm in Migori County right now. This is what I'm calling my county, you know. Wow. Okay, guys, even the walkway are very clean. Even somebody put food down here, and then you eat. Okay, guys, let's go. That's Hotel Vanna. You can't imagine, nice parking. Wow. Also, there's a day I bring my sister here with my mom. My sister enjoy right there. I want to talk with them about because there's some louder music. I avoid some copyright, guys. Also, they're doing maybe photography, taking picture, you know. Okay, let me talk with them. You see this one here, they're doing photography. There's a nice swimming pool, and I think one day we'll experience here, bring my family, enjoying. Man, look. Hey. Wow. Kuna mtu hapo juu. Wow. let me say hello to Felistas, guys, with them here. Wow. Yeah. And also my brother give me some chance to tune on off the volume, guys. You know. You good? Hey, that's Pepsi. You know Pepsi is a big company from Tanzania. Say hello.
Hello.
Yeah, put down the phone and then speak to my people. Now guys, I told you I just came here with Felistas, and then say hello to my people.
Hello guys, welcome back to Hello Baby YouTube channel. My name is Felistas. Yeah, we are here at the Vanna Hotel. Yeah.
Okay guys, for those people asking me, hello baby, where is Felistas? Right now it's just over here. Since we left Mombasa, I think right now it's close to 1 month and some few weeks.
Yeah.
Right? So guys, I was busy at home, you know, renovating or fixing the carabat on my borehole, bringing sand. So today I get enough time, and then I decide let me introduce one more again Felistas on this game.
Yeah.
How was your channel? Maybe
good.
somebody watching the videos.
It is doing good.
Yeah. Which kind of video did you do? Yeah,
Village, right?
That's that's our waiter. Mango. Okay guys, you know, sometimes I'm doing construction. I'm around at home, building construction, you know, supporting my mama here and there. If maybe somebody watching the videos, I know you are a girl, maybe you can do maybe going to the garden. I don't know, me, I'm just watching your videos, you know.
Yeah,
Which kind of video did you do in our village? Sometimes when we are at the village, there's some video you do, you know, village life, you know.
Yeah, like I do cooking. Yeah,
Cooking.
showing you the village life, like collecting firewood. Yeah.
Guys, if you are in the city, maybe watching from New York, US, go and watch Felistas videos.
Yeah.
You will see how our old grandparents used to be, maybe fetching firewood, cooking
Not
outside.
Even nowadays.
Yeah. But people come with technologies. There's gas cooker. Other people use gas cooker, jiko.
But in the village, I think everybody used the
Firewood.
Yeah.
Yes, because firewood is a renewable resources.
Yeah.
Me, when maybe somebody puts here gas cooker and firewood, I'll run to firewood because firewood
Is available. You know, gas you have to recharge.
Yes.
Yeah.
When the gas went off, you need to fill, but firewood every day.
Yeah, you can collect.
Like even at night, you can put maybe a huge log of maybe wood, and then it starts lighting up the morning. You know?
Yes.
Imagine Felistas, we are here, and then we are watching the swimming pool on this side here. You see, very nice. Yeah, even you can charge your phone here. You see some extension or switch? I don't know.
It is switch, not extension. Yeah.
Hey, you make my day to be long. Is that switch?
Yeah, not as extension. Something wrong.
Yeah.
Yeah, not this is a
Okay,
switch.
guys. You know, guys, through watching our videos, you make our dream come to reality. Without you, we couldn't maybe a day like this to be here.
Yeah.
All right. I know most of interior part of the village, there's some really hard life, you know. Yeah. Maybe you open this YouTube channel, do your videos, and then other people, when they see you succeed successfully, they say, oh, you are Illuminati, devil worshiper, things like that. But I don't give them time. You just grinding so hard, you know.
Yeah.
Even where I came from, they calling me a Illuminati, all those crazy names. But I said, okay. When I said go, let me go. I never look back. Okay, guys, we're waiting some drink here. So today, like this day, we have not like planned, but I will say let's go with nothing. No, at least to have some drink and then we go. Yeah, can you have a go ahead. You admire this?
Yeah.
You can go at the supermarket to buy, or the Peps company.
Okay.
Yeah. Hey, Felistas. Ega? Can it's toothpick? Can I get your daughter? Imagine, guys, inside here there is a toothpick. Toothpick. So today, no eating food. Today, it's a drink. Or you have money for the food?
No.
Yeah.
Even my phone has broken.
Yeah, people ask me why I didn't see Felistas shooting the video, guys. Sometimes it's crazy. Maybe you use your sister's phone.
Yes, actually, right now I'm using my sister's phone. Yeah.
Guys, the phone gets some problem, and then that's the reason why sometimes he didn't shooting the video. You know, sharing phone with 2 people or more than 2 people, it's something difficult.
Yeah.
Okay.
Even her, she's a content creator. She has to do the video, so they tell me just wait until I finish.
Yeah, like me, you know, when I have my phone, from midnight I spend my time until morning, you know, watching my videos, watching other people's videos, you know, perusing internet, you know. I learned some new terms about YouTube.
Yeah.
Yeah, guys, sometimes it's crazy. Sharing a phone, you can't wake up from the bed, sister, bring your phone, I want to see something, you know.
No.
Okay.
And like I have 2 days there that I have not uploaded.
Oh.
Yeah.
Sorry for that, guys. Sorry for that. Maybe God will open another door. You get a phone.
Yeah.
You know, you get a phone. Yeah, guys, we're still waiting, and huh? Swagger. This is like feathers from the, I think, sheep.
Oh.
Wow. Yeah, guys.
This is the animal print, not feathers.
Animal?
Even this one, animal print.
Yeah, I think this one is from
Jaguar.
Jaguar.
Yeah, and this from
Yeah, the most popular.
Fattest.
What about cheetah?
Cheetah, jaguar. Yeah, it is cheetah, not jaguar.
Hey,
This
cheetah.
This one is for cheetah, and this one is for jaguar.
I know if you go to Masai Mara with these clothes, when cheetahs see you, they run away.
Why?
It looks like maybe the car from the cheetah. Look.
Not for cheetah, this is for jaguar.
You know, when you're going to the game park, there's some liquid medicine you spray. You maybe some wild animal are very aggressive. You go with some medicine. It's a chemical for the wild animal. You spray like when it smells that perfume from the chemical, it's run away.
Oh.
Yeah.
I have never been at the game park.
There's one of our fans came at Marwa. Big shout out to Mr. Alpha. I remember watching this video. Thank you so much. He shows those spray chemical for the wild animal. You maybe run from nowhere, want to attack you. You spray like. The more you spray, when it start maybe interfere with that lion, the lion take a U-turn, run away.
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah, mostly for those people who traveling, maybe tourists, they must have those chemicals. It's not harmful to human being, but in animal, like it start keeping maybe a distance, you know. For example, if you see a lion here, did you sit here?
No.
But if you have that maybe spraying maybe chemical, the more you spray like this, the lion take a U-turn and then go.
Okay.
Guys, if you know that chemical, a spray chemical, please comment on the comment section. I will make a research. Even sometime I forget.
Do you want to buy it?
Yes. If maybe people they comment here, I'll look for the money and then I buy. Because sometimes when you're going to the game park, when you see a hyena, did you stand and wait?
But I am not afraid of hyena.
Cheetah? I know hyena, they are afraid of a human being. But cheetah, leopard, tiger.
They are locked.
Masai Mara, those animals are free, you know. Like
They're
you have
meat. They're meat
no,
together and
you have the group of lion one side, group of elephant one side. Yes, things like that. Tafanya siku nikupeleke Masai Mara, utaona tu. Group ya masimba ziko kando. Okay, guys.
Nakumbuka hizo. Nimeshawa sawa tu hapa.
Wapi? Hapa ama huko? Oh. Ako nyumbani, siku hizi amekuwa mkubwa.
Sasa umemwacha tu kwa nyumba.
Sana sumbua. Sababu ya baridi.
Kuna baridi.
Okay. So guys, asante. Leo tumbe imekuwa ndogo. Chakula labda Jumanne. Ndio mtarudi? Si leo ndo tumefika hapa kijijini. Tunaona tukuje.
Tumesafiri. Hamkukua huko.
This mango juice, guys, and then we do like this. Okay, thank you. Introduce yourself. Maybe you get a new fan. Then watch YouTube. Hey, say my hello and then introduce. Maybe mtu anaweza sema mwenye anawasema mbona asemi hello.
Anaweza sema hivyo.
So guys, I'm telling her to say hello. If somebody watching these videos, they know who's serving. Hello, baby. Say hello.
Hello.
What is your name?
Rose.
Rose.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, that's Rose.
Thank you.
Yes, you're welcome. Ni ukweli Rose. Tunaendaga sema wanaturizaga hivyo.
Si sasa vile umechukua hiyo nini yangu.
Utaona? Maybe at the end of the month I'll pay you. Okay.
I have to shake.
You shake?
Yeah.
Okay, Felistas. Do your part. You know my work is to drink. I think there's a day we sit here down there. People ask me, hello baby, why don't you eat? Sometimes, you know, guys, I have some stomach problem. So eating morning or maybe is noon hour, evening hour, I can't eat food. The more I eat maybe in the morning, heavy breakfast, maybe at lunchtime I eat little, and then from there we'll meet around maybe 10 p.m. and then supper time. But if I came here and then it's around maybe evening time, people say, hello baby, why don't you eat? Sometimes I have some stomach problem. Hey. God bless this. Oh, cheers. You do like this. Hey, damn Felistas. Alright, guys, let's enjoy. When we are alive, we say God thank you for the gift of life, you know. Yeah, it's by God's grace to be here, to say a day like this, you know. Yeah.
You can use this one.
Yes, sure. Just use it. Yeah. Just use it as you can, you know. Just use it as you can, alright? Don't alright.
That's strong to
yeah. Let me enjoy, guys. Life is so sweet. Huh? When you drink like this, you feel here. Huh? Well, when you drink, you feel here. It's cold. Taste and then you give people result. How do you feel? Huh? You're on another one. Yeah, guys. Let me taste and then I give you another result. You know. Oh my God. Guys, life is sweet. When you have money, nothing is impossible for you. Yeah, this one I think it's go for $5. All right, and it's
$5?
1 liter. Yeah, 500. That's $5. I think $4.
$4.
I think
4 to 5.
4 to 5 because 500 Kenyan shillings. That's $5. You know. Ayo tako kota boy. Hey, imagine the owner of this hotel or restaurant. Look the way have really invest. You know. Yeah, this is another good investment. You know.
Yeah.
Yeah. If maybe you have a business like this, you know, at
Swimming
least
pool.
yeah, there's a swimming pool. You know, there's maybe a disco place. You can maybe sit and listen the music. We have some place where you can eat food.
Yeah,
You can book a
sleep.
room. Yeah. You know, maybe if you come with your kid, they can enjoy there. If you have money, you can maybe pay here. You spend your month here and then you enjoying. You know, yeah, enjoying soft life.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's true. I'm telling you, true story. Imagine in the morning, you booked a room here the whole month. In the morning, you jump to the swimming pool. Did you remember Mombasa in Diani
Is it
Beach? Here,
Then
if
you have to pay.
you pay 300, you know.
Yeah.
Also, that 300, there's some charges, you know. They can buy the chemical and then spray through the swimming pool, you know. I think the more you spend your day here, maybe a month, maybe they can give you for free.
Yeah.
Yeah. If you spend here a month, the swimming pool maybe enjoyment is for free. But the local people who coming and go, you pay maybe 300, maybe per day. I don't know. It's maybe per hour or per day. I don't know. But I think it's per day.
Per day.
3 hour, 300 per day. Yeah, I think so. Imagine, guys. I can't wait, guys. One day, the more you see me, I'm traveling to Tanzania. No, like hello baby, have already processed passport and everything. Man, I can't wait to go in Jamaica. I'm telling you. Ndaimu wa Jamaica. Kama kuna nani?
Siko gani?
Nikenya kumaliza kujenga. Kumaliza kujenga, unajua the more you have your passport, it must be rubber stamped maybe like 20. So it means you go East Africa and then you go maybe to India. So they can maybe when you're going to the migration, there's Felistas, she's doing maybe some trip traveling from one country to another, and then rubber stamp, boom, Jamaica. I'm telling you guys. Okay, add for me. I have only got annual. That's enough for me. Okay. Guys, even I'm shaking my head. I'm shaking my head, guys. This life, whoa. Enjoy. So, for my new subscriber, that's Felistas. For the first time watching my videos, and also my name is Hello Babe Official. I'm the owner of this video, so I'm filming the way it is, and then just over here enjoying. You know, it's not once people asking me where is Felistas. I didn't see with you with Felistas. You know, there's some other people want to see us together. You know, but if I have maybe some job at home, I need to be. We call a parasite. No, not a parasite. I need to be like, how do you say, alone or independent. Like in terms of construction, yeah. I was busy. Imagine handling around maybe 4 people, 2 weeks. You know, fixing the caravan. It's very hectic. When I finish up, I feel like, oh man. But I spent around $400 to fix the carabat. So I said, this is a lot of money. But the only thing that I need is water. I said, okay, what is hard or they can take a lot of money. The only thing I need is water. No, life is no. You say this. Water is life.
Yeah.
Life is water. Like yeah, no water, no life. I'm telling you. Can you survive 1 month without taking water?
No.
You might die. So water is life. Also, this juice have been mixing with water. Am I lying? Look somewhere where they have written hydro. You know hydro means water.
Yeah.
Look.
No water. Yeah.
There's no water.
Yes.
Okay. You have a big eyes, but we didn't see.
But hate the ingredients for making it.
They must water. Mpaka maji ya kuwepo. Eh. And it's made in Kenya. Yeah, afundi unakunywa sasa. I drink quick and fast, like I'm hungry, like a goat. Hey, you Felistas, you drink slowly.
Yes.
All right. All right, guys. We're almost finishing this juice, and then we have long journey to go. Nothing here. Nothing here. Ngontor. Azutake vile na makogo sana. Zato watumwe. Por machine ho aina yo. Atigan.
Daheru chuchu.
Oh, speak to my audience. You know, don't enjoy drinking juice and this, and then you are struggling with watching now. I'm telling you. You know, it's your special day today. You know, speak to my audience. You know. Sometimes I have a new subscriber. If he doesn't have that new subscriber, eh? What do you touch here? Why do you touch your neck? What's happened?
It is.
Give a result. It's cold.
Yeah.
Sweet.
Cold and sweet. Oh.
Hey, it's not cold and bitter. Let me tell you one thing. Bitter to the mouth, medicinal to the stomach. Sweet to the mouth, poisonous to the stomach. Just believe on that.
No. No way this juice can be.
No.
Can be poison. No way.
Can you compare that juice, mango juice, and lemon juice? Organic one, direct from the farm, and then you squeeze the juice from the.
But even mango, you can squeeze the juice from. If you pick it when it's ripe, then you can make your own juice.
Okay, I'm gonna take you back. It contains sugar or not?
This one. Small one.
What is small one?
There's no here salt. You know, even mango is sweet.
Okay, I'm telling you one thing. Bitter to the mouth, medicinal to the stomach. You know, if for example you chew ginger, or garlic, or lemon, also is a medicine to the stomach. But
not all sweet goods are poison. No. I'm against you.
You're against me?
Yeah.
Guys, I'm telling Felistas. Bitter to the mouth, medicinal to the stomach. Sweet to the mouth, poisonous to the stomach. Let me tell you one thing. If maybe today you have maybe problem with your stomach, or maybe you are coughing, maybe flu catch you, you need to add some ingredients in a hot water. Garlic, ginger, lemon, and also honey. and then you drink.
Honey is sweet.
Also, it's kill. It's maybe reduce the pain, or maybe, you know, it heal you. What about?
About?
Maybe sugary food. Did you see it's a poison to your stomach?
Not all sugary food. No.
Okay. Guys, comment on the comment section. It's not time to argue. It's not time to argue, guys, with Felistas. Single minute, guys. Because me, I'm telling you the way it is, and then you start arguing. You argue.
No,
You
but
argue.
I'm not arguing. It is true.
You argue. Even one day, I'll spend my breakfast drinking one day I'll spend my day to drink maybe my breakfast to be hot water, lemon, ginger and garlic, and also honey. Every day 1 cup. Every day 1 cup. And you eat, maybe you drink maybe milk tea, whatever.
But me, I don't use milk tea.
Okay.
I don't use milk.
Did you use black coffee? Okay, you need to squeeze lemon inside.
I'm using.
Serious? Okay. Me, I don't know. Whether you use or not, it's your own opinion. Hey, hello, baby. Let me enjoy my juice, guys. Yeah, guys, if I smile and then Felistas smile, my entire world smile. Hey. Also, guys, I left my bike on other side right there. You know, other side is meant for the bike parking by motorbike. Then from this side here to other side, vehicle, big machine. But I'm dreaming, guys, one day I'll have my own car. You know, before I die, I must drive. That's what I believe, you know. But I throw that energy to go far away. Guys, we finished everything, so it's time to continue our journey, going back to our village, you know. Yeah. Okay, I said thank you everybody by keep supporting us, and the way you're supporting me, guys, I support my family, and then I use this chance to support Felistas by showing her how to film the videos, and then doing YouTube, you know. It's not an easy thing, but through you guys, we managed to go, you know. We managed to go. Wow. Felistas, are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Okay, okay. If you're okay, so also me, I'm okay. So guys, let me know what do you think about on today's videos. But on my side, man, I'm so grateful and I'm so happy to see amazing day like this. It's by God's grace, you know. And when we are together, it means a lot. And guys, you mean the world to me. Let me keep pushing myself. One day I'm making these videos, it will pay me off. One day I'll be maybe more tired, sitting at home enjoying my video starts paying me, you know. All right. Yeah. So you're waiting the waiter or the lady who serves us here, and then as we go. No, I'm just seeing something there. Okay, guys, let's wait the waiter, guys. Enjoy Nahir. Asante. Okay, guys, it's time to go back home, back to our village. Madam Felistas. Hey. Oh. Okay, guys, let me take my bike here, and then we go. Okay guys, that is me. If maybe you came with the kids here, they'll start enjoying. I know maybe it's merry-go-round. You go like, okay. Hey, that's my bike right here. So when I go back home, I'll wash it, you know. So it's time to wear my jacket. Oh my god, like that, because I'm driving. Like that. Oh my god. Okay guys, I'm trying to fix myself. That is me guys, you know. So checking my key first here. Just do like this. Okay guys, we shall meet on other side going back home. Guys, we said goodbye to that place. So right now we're heading home. Heading to our village, you know. Yeah, east to west, home is the best. This Vanna hotel right here. Okay. Woo! Vanna to be in the game instead. Hey! Okay. That's Malindi Mission right there. Also, we have a nice school here known as Kenya Relief right here. That's Kenya Relief. Okay. Yeah. I think it's a missionary school because, yeah, it's well organized by the mission. Missionary.
So beautiful.
Yes, so beautiful. Very, very. Look at that. Look at that environment, guys. You know. Alright guys, we keep going, and at the back we have Felistas here.
Yes.
Yeah, it's all morning guys, you know. So for those people who asking me, hello baby, I didn't see Felistas, so right now
I'm here.
they are here guys. You know, since we left to Mombasa, I haven't featured her on my video because I was busy working hard at home, make sure my mama get water. So today I decided to make her videos guys, you know. Wow, today's a super calm day guys. You can see the sky, it's blue, so we're fully outside. And also guys, check out Felistas. Right now she was dealing with watching hour, the remaining one. I think, how many watching hours did you remaining with?
1,001.
Yeah guys, please if maybe you make sure this month to watch the videos, the remaining 1,200 watching hour guys, support her, you know. Imagine that I was pushing her from 0 subscriber up to 1,000, maybe 1,000 plus. All right. Yeah guys, it's by God's grace, you know. And also even tomorrow, yesterday I was advising my brother, can you open a YouTube this channel? Maybe you are in school, you can make a videos as a university student, you know, people can watch. And then we still agree on that, you know. Wow. Okay guys, so I'm happy finally she's back again to the roads. And then maybe I'll do with her a video like let me say 5 videos, so to see whether they can manage to qualify that watching now. All right. Yeah, you just do videos, more videos. And I love the way you do videos. Hey, every day you push yourself. At least you put 5 minutes rather than maybe ignore, you know. Yes. So guys, we're still moving on. And I'm just over here with my baby. which helped me to maneuver around. My work is to put the gas, and I'm ready to go. So we are on this tarmac road which connects East Africa, the border of Kenya, Tanzania, Uganda. Wow. This guy is carrying Mira or cats or cannabis. Okay, guys. Yeah. Well, guys, so today it's a special day, and we outside, guys, chasing our dream from East Africa, Kenya, guys. So in case you're new here, subscribe, show us some love. Heading this way. Imagine, guys, I'm putting neutral. Like, there's no need to accelerate fuel or gasoline. That's how Africa looks like on camera. Yeah. The good thing when I have my bike is to show you around. I say hidden roof, guys, right there. Let's go. And guys, remember, always positive vibe, you know. But sometimes I receive negative comments, positive comments, and I know how to answer those questions, guys, you know. So it's good to drop the positive comment on the comment section, so which motivates us, guys, to go as a upcoming young YouTuber, you know. We try to chase away the poverty, guys, from Africa. But I didn't say maybe Africa have a lot of poverty and there, but there's some places bossy, you know. Yeah. Hey. Whoa. I think that's Harry. Yeah, people are driving. Also, hello, baby, I'm driving, guys, my motorbike. Too well, riding or yeah. Yeah, I have dreams to drive. Felistas, talk to my people. You know, because people are asking me on the comment section, where is Felistas? You know, I didn't see you with Felistas. Talk to my people, because you know, since we left Mombasa, I think it's close to 1.5 months. We didn't make a video with you. Hey. 1 month. Yeah, I think it's one month and 1 month and some few weeks, because we go there in the month of May, date 24, I think there, and then June we have already ended. I think, yeah, 1 month and some weeks. Yeah. So talk to my people.
So hello guys, welcome back to Hello Baby YouTube channel. Yeah, subscribe. Yeah, and my name is Felistas. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe.
Yeah,
comment, watch my video to reach 4,000 watching hours. Yeah, I would appreciate.
Yeah. So guys, for those people who joining on this video, please subscribe to our channel and check her, especially, guys, check Felistas. Watch at least 5 videos, guys, so you can push the watching hour. Please, guys, you know, I'm trying to support as I can, guys. Maybe when something's difficult, I left that part, God to done for her, but at the rest, man, I keep supporting her a lot. Even sometimes when I'm shooting the videos, I give you shout out. I think maybe if you're watching my videos, you see the way I give you shout out, you know. So when I'm talking to Felistas, other people didn't know you, so but today they know you, maybe new subscriber. Yeah, and it's good to share subscriber, you know. Yes. Wow. Hey. Guys, I feel mad when I see people driving. Yeah, it's true, Felistas, you know. Other people drive. Imagine when it's raining and then you have a motorbike. Other people have some vehicle, nice car. They close the window and then boom, You with your motorbike. Look at that. You and motorbike, you start struggling when it's raining. Hey. But anyway, we thank God what we have. Yeah, we appreciate. That's a matatu. Right, guys. Yeah, it's good to show you Africa. And I feel so happy, guys, when Felistas, she's back to my channel, you know. So maybe somebody watching the videos and they will ask, maybe Felistas, which kind of videos did you make in our village here?
Okay, I do like village life. Yeah, cooking. Showing you the village life. Yeah, actually, most I do like this, that's content.
Okay. Right. There's some cars passing here. Hey, look at that guy with the motorbike. That's crazy driving. Whoa. All right. Sometime even I personally, I do. You know me, I want to become a blogger, you know, shooting video from one point to another point, or from one direction to another direction, you know. And especially on my videos, when I'm in village, it's all about helping my mama at home, and then building, you know. So maybe I build a toilet, that's construction. And then I do traveling vlog, you know. So guys, if you think maybe I'm lying, there's some videos I make when I'm going to Kisumu, going to Nairobi, going to Mombasa, you know. Also, there's a day I went to the Felistas to Mombasa. So yeah, we enjoy, especially in Indian Ocean, you know, in beaches, we enjoy. But what I didn't maybe experience is sand beaches, you know. Because of time here and there, I said, okay, let me go back to the village. It's time to build my mama house, brick by brick, you know. And also, the way I'm trying to help you, if maybe one day you help each other, you know. Yeah. You choose whom you want to help, because it's according to your own, maybe mind. Wow. Let's go, guys. Yeah. Hey, truck are parking some bricks, guys, right there. So if I finish building mama house, when I want to do landscaping, I'll come and then buy some flowers, trees within here. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Hey, it's very in the morning, around I think around 9:30 a.m. our local time. 10 a.m. is crazy. Me, I think it's around 10. It's around 9. Sorry, guys. 10, but it's looking early in the morning. Did you remember when we were in Mombasa, around 7 a.m. in the morning, it's very hot? Do you remember? Especially in the beaches. It's very hot, extremely hot, guys. But here, it's 10 in the morning, and then the sun is here, but it's too cold. I don't know how Felistas will survive. We're in motorbike, and then no jacket, guys.
Oh, but it's not cold.
No cold?
Yeah.
Okay. Or it's because I'm in front of you driving, and then all cold come to me, guys. Hey. Right. We have one of the police station here. They are under construction. I think they've already constructed everything. This police station. Yeah, but they didn't launch. Cover request. Village life. Guys, to be honest, I see my dream car coming, which maybe I'm dreaming in future to have. Let me show you. You see that? Small baby. Right. Let's go. This video is a continuation videos, guys. Toyota. We have one of our MP right here, guys. Avocado company. Yup. This is an amazing thing, guys. Just even that house. Okay, let's move, man. Let's move. Buffalo Plaza. Wow, that's how my better town looks like. Oh. I think that will bring one day like 2 trips for my son. Okay, let's move, man. So this is my beta for you guys. Going that way. Yeah, that truck. Right. Wow. Business all over. Buying and selling of maize corn right here. You see some women are sitting down. Also this side here. Nice time. Ah, man. Oh. That's my side. Felistas, I just learned one thing. You don't, like, Maasai people have no boundary. They can go in Uganda everywhere, no boundary, and no one will maybe try to harass him where you're going with this maybe not passport, we call machete, you know. You know that's their culture. Okay, that's Catholic Church, guys, here. You know, that's Roman Catholic Church right here. Okay, no, it's our culture, it's their culture. But if, example for me, if I want to go with that machete, people will harass me, you know, like I'm a criminal, that and that, you know. But anyway, let's go. Whoa. Right. At this place, people have really building, man. Look. See by yourself. Yeah. Also, you have one of our nice house here. kuna ghorofa hapo watu wangu, ngoja niwaoneshe leo. There's a nice one floor house. I think that's one. You see that one there? Painted white. There is bumps ahead. Whoa. So this is a nice hospital in our village right here, known as Diva, and I brought my grandma right. You know, it looks like a palace. Woo. Oh my God. Uzuri hii inaweza anzia kutoka huko ukienda hivi na hospitali mpaka ukienda nyumba. Yeah. Guys, me I love to drive alongside the road, you know. Wow, that's cassava plantation. Thanks a lot. Right here. Okay. Guys, if you're watching these videos, let me close my you know what, let me close it here like that, you know, so the wind can't penetrate going inside, you know. When I close it here, that is it. Even you.
Yeah.
Okay. Also guys, let me tell you one thing, but I'm so crazy, my camera didn't zoom. When I'm passing here, I see a nice house. I think to take that plan and build my mama house, like boom. See right there, there's a house, guys. Right there. Oh man. Yeah, sometimes it's not good to admire people's house, but watching through my eyes, I said no, I want to build my house. Maybe guys, I'm thinking hidden roof because other normal roof are more expensive, but I'll try my best, you know. I'm pushing myself like a donkey every day to do videos here and there, you know. I'm using that term donkey because donkey didn't like get tired, you know. Yeah, you know, the donkey didn't feel tired. Today you put a huge luggage, tomorrow, previous the whole week, didn't feel tired. So that's how I push myself. Super amazing, guys. Also within here we have some institution, primary school and secondary school, but I share the same name, you know. I think we sing this, you know. This is another project here, buying this small post here. Yeah, right here, that's primary, I think. And also that's secondary. This is secondary school. Yeah. by a motorbike. Are you ready? You know, it's a long trip because from here to Masai Mara it's around, if I drive maybe with, let me say, with a lot of speed, it's 2 hours. But if I drive maybe slowly, we spend maybe, let me say 3 hours. I think it's not far. If you wake up in the morning and then when it's around maybe a time like this, it's found us on the way. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Because in Masai Mara, alongside the road like this, you see zebra, they're grazing alongside giraffe, you know, baboon, antelope, gazelle, you know. Okay. Moving slowly, guys. Januari ndakukore kamera. Januari. Oje ngo tikuishwera ichi ngomba nonkusokia. Januari nkukore kamera hero 11. Sorobeze. Yung camera. Okay. Let's go. You know, sometimes I'm crazy. Also guys, I'm trying to talk with my brother. So when Felistas was dealing with Wating, I want to deal with my brother to push the videos. I'm telling him, bro, open a YouTube channel. And then people say maybe your brother is camera shy. I know he was very shy, but I keep pushing him. Whoa! Guys, you know, sometimes driving a bike somehow crazy, you know. The bees sting on my neck, guys. Oh my goodness. Oh. It's here, guys. You know, but it is what it is, guys. Let's go. I'm a village boy. No crying. Okay. No crying, guys. I feel that pain when the bees sting on my body. I'm also feeling that pain, guys. Thank you, Felistas. But I'm keep pushing, man. You know, I don't want to film full traffic. Pero ni weekend la Vanna mo pale. Okay guys, we're still going, and there's some stones on that track. Imagine guys, a green view like this. Super amazing. Just a crowd. Primary school, I think. That one here. And that's a crowd. Yeah, for it. Also, there's a church. That's Catholic. Yeah, that's Catholic church. That's my tattoo. Alright guys, we just back home, and let's do this. I want to take my jacket outside guys, you know. Okay guys, when I'm back home I need to sort things out. Hey! Yeah guys, this is what I'm calling home. Sweet home, home seeds. I see one of my neighbor fetching water here, you know, to access people fetching water. You know, this some jerry can here, or container fetching water here. Usuna guara kokuta. So I'm telling him not pulling the rope here. Okay guys, now even my son, hello baby, make this stand very concrete. Yeah, that is good guys. When I allowed my neighbors to fetch water, and his home is just down here, right there, fetching water, you know. Because that being said, oh, I raised my neighbors to fetch water, people think like, oh, it's a clickbait. No. So at the same time, I will create a funnel, I will cut a container, you know, bottle, and then doing like a local funnel. Clean water. Oh my God, I'm back home, and I said, God, thank you so much, because it's not an easy travel, guys. Like riding the bike from my home, going maybe somewhere else, coming back safely, it's by God's grace. I say, God, thank you for the safe journey, guys. You know, riding a machine and then coming back, you know, it's God controlling us. And if the more you're riding carefully, nothing happened to you. If maybe you're riding maybe shagalabagala, man, you might find yourself knocking your head on the road or cause accident, but I'm told that energy way. So I'm just driving carefully, guys, you know. Wow, that's a mega project. When I see this one around the village, I said, oh, I moved some steps. So I think also when I left home, my mama, she was not around. So right now I wanna give a chance mama to say hello. My African mom says hello, you know. She was the one who made who I am today, you know, to be a good son. And then, yeah. So I think my number is already gone. So I didn't want those water to flow again. Or I'm trying to look for the bigger basin. I'll put here. and then the moment they fetch water, they put that containers here and then pouring water. Or maybe sometimes it's running easily, you know. And the good thing about this place is not like smooth, it's rough. Mama. Yes. Nowadays Mama, she was very shiny. Are you going to the airport? Unaenda kwa airport? Guys, Mama sometime kuna vitano. Unaenda Jerumani with a big pouch. Nice shoe. Look. Nowadays you're smiling, man. You're shining. Guys, I just pull up back home, and Mama, she was going somewhere else for the vacation, guys, you know. Actually, let me say, it's another celebration, you know. One of our neighbor invited my mama to go, you know. So it's good to escort her because I have the bike right there. Sister, come and say hello. Baba, did you say me hello?
Hello.
You good?
I'm fine.
Did you say me hello? That's my cousin right there. Oh, take say me hello. You don't want to somebody. Say me hello. Say hello. My cousin, they feel a lot. Okay, ma'am. You got to?
Tutai.
Pochi limetuna. Okay, Mama, twende. Nitakupata hapo. I'm telling Mama go this way and then I'll take my bike. Driving. Njoo nipeleke ishoka kwa nyumba. Moja kwa moja. Okay, guys, let's go. Guys, my mama, she was very lucky to have a firstborn. It's a good son. I'm not saying out of my brother bad. No. Like in terms of to be a firstborn and then supporting my mama, it's something good. I know most of when I was grew up, most of the firstborn around our village here didn't help their parents, you know, when maybe they're mature enough and then get married, have their family, stay away from their parents. But me, no, I'm not on that team. You know, I support my mama as I can. Imagine, guys, by supporting me to have this bike, it helped my mama to take her around. Even a day like this, I just pull up back home, and then she told me she was being invited as another vocational as a party, you know, a local party, so they can go and enjoy as the woman, all ladies. I don't want to call my mama ladies, as the woman, you know. So it's time to go. It's time to go. It's time to go. You know, that's why I'm calling home. Let's go this way, guys. And we have long journey, and I don't want to film on the road. But if you reach at the destination where Mama heading to, I'll show you guys, and then I'll come back home. Man, wishing us safe travel, guys, for riding this bike to another destination, guys. Wow, time to go. You know, look at all those bikes from here. You know, the sun is ahead of us, so it's time to go. Yeah? Okay. Okay, guys. And then the rain is coming, man. This is crazy. See right here. Let's go. To show you a village party, you know, this down here. So there is a lot of bike ahead of me, and I need to push it, man. Or I can't get her, right? Yeah. Okay, let me follow the routes. Okay, guys. All right, guys. We are passing bush here as we go. I'm at the back with my mama. Yeah, down here. Oh my god. I'm kidding, but
Sasa nyankole ayuba kurira tu. Kana mbono ba wansire kanisa.
okay. Down here. Wow. So it's time to go back home. Alright guys, I'm back home and this is the end of these videos. So I was escorting mama, but it's a crazy journey, man. Dust. Look even how my jacket looks like, you know, and it's raining on the way when I'm coming back, but I don't want to complain. So guys, in case you're new here, subscribe to my channel, Road to Success. So I'm so grateful, guys, and this is what I'm calling home, man. You see, this is my dad's home, you know. So maybe in future I'm gonna change it slowly by slowly, step by step, you know, pole pole, no pressure, guys. So like I found myself start the project of building mama dream house. So it's like it's take time, you know. I don't want to harassing things here and there, and no competition, guys. So we shall meet on the next video, which is tomorrow, guys. I love you, and I wish you happy Saturday, guys. Bye, guys.